Hello everyone, this is Krishna and welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to see how to integrate social sharing option in our Angular application. So social sharing in the sense we can share to Facebook or Twitter. You can see different options here like WhatsApp. If you extend here you can have another options like copy link or email link and WhatsApp Messenger, etc. So let us see how to do that. For this we are going to use NGX shareable buttons package. So we have to copy this and we have to install. So you don't see any code here. So in our application we will be seeing how to integrate that in a detailed manner. So for that I have created an application. So this is the application test prod and I am going to write our code in app component.html. So you can create your own component and you can reuse it anywhere. So it is better to create a component and reuse that. And first we have to install the command for this. So I have copied this npm install ngx share buttons and I am going to install this parallel terminal and paste install. So it will take some time to get installed. So let us wait until it gets installed. It got successfully installed in our project. So if you want to verify that, you can go back to package.json in your application and open that particular file and you can check for NGX shareable. So this is the 8.0.5 version when I am creating this video, and if you are watching this video it will be varying based on the time. So first we have to write the code in app module.ts. So before that I have to install another command for different fonts. So FontAwesome SVG core and FontAwesome Angular and Tree Solid SVG icon. This is for icons and this is also for the icons, free icons of FontAwesome, and I am going to copy this and paste here. I am going to give this command in the description of the video. You can copy from there and install in your application. It got successfully installed in our application. If you want to verify, you go back to package.json and you can see the FontAwesome Angular FontAwesome and FontAwesome SVG core, free brands SVG icons and free solid SVG icons. So these are the versions. So the next thing we are going to do is importing all our required things in app module.ts. Now I'm going to my app module.ts and here I'm going to import share buttons module and share icons module. NGX share buttons / buttons and next thing is importing share icons module. NGX share buttons / icons, and we have to import this in imports. Share buttons module dot with config. So you will be getting the intelligence here. It will take a property called debug. You have to set debug to true. So next one is share icons module. So that's it, and you have to install another thing called Angular CDK here. So I'm going to copy this command. So in npm install @angular/cdk. Sometimes it will work without installing this as well, but it's better to install this. And if you get any errors or something like that, you can do npm install and then you can start your application by using npm start. So let us wait until it gets installed. Now we will go to our package.json. Here you have to check for the latest version if it is updated or not. Here it is updated to 11.0.3 version. Now we have to write our code in app component.html. Here I am going to write my code for share buttons. Share buttons. In this share buttons I am going to have some properties called theme. Here I am going to specify it as material dark. So there are different themes available in this share buttons. You can have different themes based on your requirement, and you can copy from the GitHub. So the next thing is include. So if you want to include only Facebook or WhatsApp, you can write only Facebook or WhatsApp. And if you want to include LinkedIn and Pinterest, etc., so you can write here. So it will take the array. In this array I am going to specify Facebook and WhatsApp. Different things like Twitter, LinkedIn. And the last one is copy. After this we have to use a property called show. If you have 15 icons, it will show only 9 icons here because I have specified it as 9. And if you want to show 15 icons, you can specify it as 15. So you can have the expander and removing option, and you can specify the size as well by using the size property. As of now I am giving it as 1. So the next one is URL property. So what you want to share. If you want to share your website URL, then you can specify here. So the last thing is auto set meta. We have to set it as false. And I am going to use my YouTube URL here. You can see here I have placed my YouTube URL link here, and I have included multiple icons. So based on your requirement you can remove some icons as well. So let us see whether it's working or not. First we have to run this. So let us open our browser and check whether it's working or not. So you can see here we have got different options or different icons here. As we have used material dark, you can see the color, and you can expand or minimize this. If you want only 2 icons, you can place the show as 2. And if I click on Facebook icon, you can see it is navigated to Facebook. If you are using from your mobile, it will be navigated to the Facebook application directly. So you can see here I have placed my URL, and we have seen this is the post to Facebook. Once I click on this, it will be posted to my Facebook account. And if you want to share in the Twitter, you can see the Twitter icon will be there. So there are different options like LinkedIn as well. You can see the Twitter and LinkedIn. So all will be working like this. So in this way you can integrate your social icons integration in your application. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.